Hey guys, welcome back. So here we have finally a clear render of the OnePlus 10 Pro courtesy of OnLeaks. This time we have a very first look of the front as well. OnLeaks has also shared a 3D video by which we can get an idea about the phone, and this phone might come in two color options on which we'll talk in a bit. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get daily new tech updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. Now according to the OnLeaks render, this time it looks even more polished and clean. Two color option in matte finish, green and black, looking super awesome. Hasselblad branding on the left side of the camera sensors. This phone has a triple camera setup on the back and square type housing merging from the side frame, where a 13 megapixel periscope zoom lens will be added which can achieve up to 5x lossless zoom. The primary shooter will be a 108 megapixel Samsung sensor, where OnePlus will be using a new 5-axis stabilization technology same as Oppo, and the last sensor will be a 50 megapixel ultra wide for the wide angle photos. On the front of the phone, 16 megapixel selfie shooter might be used in a single tiny punch hole cutout. And if you don't know, Hasselblad will be helping the company to improve the color accuracy as well as in the camera hardware, so that OnePlus 10 Pro can compete against other flagship devices in the camera section. By looking at the front design, it is almost similar to its predecessor OnePlus 9 Pro. Same curved side and single punch hole for the selfie camera. Reports have suggested that this phone might come with an latest gen E5 AMOLED panel by Samsung, and this is an LTPO display with variable refresh rate, which means it will consume less power than the regular 120Hz display. It will be a 6.7-inch large curved display with 1440p resolution like we have seen on the OnePlus 9 Pro, so the display will be the best in the market right now. The viewing angles, bright colors and sharp picture quality will make this phone pretty smooth. Another leak from a Chinese leaker says OnePlus is also testing new higher capacity of batteries integrated with gallium nitride, and if everything goes right, we will see OnePlus flagships on massive 5000 mAh battery, latest 125 watt fast wired charging, 50 watt wireless charging support. If this information is true, then the OnePlus 10 Pro can charge this huge battery in just 30 minutes, which is super crazy. Talking about the performance, OnePlus might use the latest upcoming high-end CPU from Qualcomm Snapdragon 898. This chipset is based on 4nm fabrication, which means less power consumption and less heat generation. OnePlus 10 Pro will provide best of the best experience in the gaming section because the Snapdragon 898 will use Adreno 730 GPU, where the Qualcomm has jumped from Adreno 600 series to 700 series GPU, so there might be at least 30 to 34% performance jump in the gaming section with this new high-end CPU. So OnePlus is serious this time about their flagship OnePlus 10 series, which surely can give a strong competition to other brands like Apple and Samsung, but to see the actual performance of the device, we have to wait until the last week of Feb 2022. So there you go guys, this is the OnePlus 10 Pro, and if you have any question related to this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section. If you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more regular tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.